wonder where they're going. Let's follow them. Yeah, dude, they're in a line. That's how they do it. I've watched it on National Geographic. They're like fucking an army, dude. It's like an army. And they're badass. Dude, bring it over here. Follow this trail. Look at them. It's like one little line. They are on a scent path. I wonder where they're going. Oh, it stops right. Oh no. Return. Holy shit, dude. This is where it stops. This is their home. Dude, look at this. This is fucking nuts. This is their new home right here. They're all going down in there. See that big ass fucking hole? Oh, there's 3 big holes. One there, one there, one there. This is where they're going. This is where their new home. They're like, ah. Yeah, I can see one. Oh no, it's a black ant. They're pushing the black ants out. Unless they're all hanging out together. Dude, oh, this is a big ass anthill, dude. I don't want them getting all over me. Yeah, look at all these big holes. Those are all ant holes. Yeah, that's where they stop, right there. Isn't that fucking nuts? Look how far they gotta travel, dude. I'm gonna follow it back the other way and see where they're coming from. You want to?
Yeah.
Dude, just think you just mowed over them and they're still fucking hauling ass in and out. When you mowed, they probably like, you probably sucked a bunch up and fucking ruined their scent path, but they still found it.